Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Valeria. I know, spicy, but you can call me Val because I know it's easier to pronounce. Like, you don't have to worry about how do you want to call me because I got you. On today's video, I changed my lighting a little bit. I'm still trying to figure out what works best for me. So please do not discriminate. Oh my god. On my last video, I tried a different lighting. That video was in Spanish, just in case. And that lighting, like, I did not like it that much. It was way too fucking warm. So I'm trying something else out. I'm still in the process of trying to figure out what works best for me. And I'm trying this out. So far, I like it. So that's good. So for today's video, I'm gonna do a full face of first impressions. Besides 3 products that I don't have new products. Only products that I do not have available that are new are foundation, bronzer slash contour, and brows. And you're gonna have to be okay with that. You're gonna have to be okay because you cannot fight me on this. And that's it, it's final. So I'm gonna prime my eyes and I'm gonna get you guys a little closer and we're gonna start this video because that's what we're here for. So let's begin. Okay, now that I have my eyes primed, I have these 2 new palettes. This one's called Sofishticated. So cute. It looks like this. It has this stupid ass plastic that everyone hates. And this little palette is by Pong Cosmetics. They sent me this, and all the products that I'm gonna use today besides the concealer, I got it in PR. Which is like, oh my god, like I'm a real influencer or whatever, like I be getting PR and shit. And the second palette is Subtropical by Kosas Cosmetics. It has this stupid ass, oh my god, that's me, hello. It has this stupid ass paper as well that no one likes, but it's okay, I guess. But something that's really interesting about these 2 palettes, they look so similar. And these are 2 different brands, apparently. Like, the packaging is literally the same. One's black, one's white. Little papers that it comes with, the little plastic cover, same font, same everything. Like, this one's one and this is the other. Like, what's up? What's the tea? Pong and Kosas Cosmetics. What's the tea? I'm gonna start with a Kosas palette and I'm gonna grab this color right here. It's supposed to be a dark green, but to be completely honest, it looks like a black. So we'll see what's up. I'm sorry, but that is not green. That is not green. That's a dark gray. That is no green if I ever seen one. This is the only matte shade we have here. So that's fun. What I'm gonna try and do now is I'm gonna try and blend one of the shimmery shades on my crease because that's the only option we have. So I'm gonna grab this green right here from the same palette with a fluffy brush, that way the shimmer can just like leave. Okay, now that we have this, it actually worked pretty good. I feel like it actually looks real nice. I do be enjoying this. I'm having a little bit of fallout here, but I really don't care about fallout. I'm just mentioning that just in case you do care. I do not care. It happens. I'm not gonna trash an eyeshadow palette just because it has a little fallout. Get over it. Grow up. It's not that important. I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush and I'm gonna grab a little bit of this light blue. This is also a shimmer. This is a full shimmer palette. This is the Jelly Pong one. So cute. With the Sofishticated Palette. So cute. So cute. And I'm gonna like blend the edges out a little bit. Okay, this is what we have so far. Cute. Crazy. Amazing. Maybe not, but cute. I'm trying to see what color we should use for the middle. We have some interesting shimmers, but I don't know. That purple's way too fucking much. Maybe something from here. I'm gonna grab this color right here and pop that in the center. I'm gonna grab a little bit of these two right here also, mix them up and see what's up we get. Okay, so we're gonna grab the first color we used, this one right here, and I'm gonna darken up the edges and blend it up with that color that we just placed there. Okay, I'm also gonna like use that green, the other green again, to blend the edges more. I actually do not hate how this is looking. Like, it's not that bad. Oh my god, I'm sorry for my stupid flyaways. Do you see that? Broken hair check. I'm gonna do my base now, and I'm gonna do it on camera because why the hell not? I'm gonna prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This ish is the best. I've said it so many times. I really love how it makes my skin feel and look and everything. It's sticky. I've said it before. Like, it's like, can you see that? You see that, right? I know you do. Okay. My foundation of choosing today is the Dermablend Pro Flawless Creator. This is the third time that I've used it and I really like it. It's kind of like a new product, really. So yeah, fun, love it. Do my foundation. I think that is pretty blended. By the way, this is the LC Cosmetics beauty sponge. I love this shit. I know it be looking a little not safe for work, but it's good. Now we're gonna go and try a new product. I am so excited to try this. This is a Kosas Cosmetics Revealer Concealer, and I got it in the shade 3.5, and I think it's perfect because I like to use it for brightening. It's lighter than my skin tone, as you can see, but it's for brightening, and this is a brightening concealer. When I first heard of this brand, I knew I immediately wanted to try this out. They give me Milk vibes. Milk makeup vibes, they give me that vibe, and I really like Milk's vibe, so I like Kosas vibe. Let's try this out. Who knows, maybe in the future I'll try more Kosas. Let's try this Kosas concealer. It's funny because like every time I say Kosas I sound like, and I'm sorry, I sound like a gringo, an American, trying to say cosas, which is things in Spanish. So, fun fact, Spanish word of the day, cosas. So let's try this out. So I'm just gonna Put a little bit of that here. She a little orange, not gonna lie. She's a little orange. Oh Jesus. She's warmer than I thought. I'm gonna blend it. Okay, listen what's up. We got a problem here. We got a little problem, not gonna lie. It is a little warmer than I thought. It is a little warmer, not gonna lie. Like, I feel like it does not look like this when I apply it. And that has me concerned because I hope this doesn't oxidize to look more orange. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, it looks good on camera, like, I'm not gonna lie. It's just, it didn't give me the brightening effect that I like on concealer. For example, this is the Jeffree Star concealer that I usually use, and this is the Kosas. You can tell this one's lighter, just like a tad bit, but it doesn't look bad. Like, it's my color, like it's literally my skin color. It's just the problem that it doesn't give me any brightening properties, but it's okay. It's okay. Maybe the powder will help. It doesn't really bother me. I just hoped it was a little bit more light, so it will be more brightening. But overall, I love the formula. It blended so nice. Definitely, I think that could become my staple concealer if I try another shade. I'm still gonna like use this one like always because my Jeffree Star is like done. But I'm gonna use my Jeffree powder in Fair, the color Fair, and I'm gonna use it with a brush and put a little bit underneath. I have dry skin, so I really don't bake. I just tap underneath for creasing purposes. That's it. Overall, like, seriously, it looks really good. Like, it looks really good. It was just a shock factor at the moment. I don't want you guys to think that I did not like it, because I actually did. I'm gonna do my under eye off camera. I'm just gonna use the same dark green that we used and pop it underneath. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my lashes and I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm gonna use the Tati Lashes TL4s. These are so cute. We love her. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna highlight on my inner corner and under my brow with this color right here. And I'm just gonna place that. This is a pretty highlight color. Actually, I'm also gonna use this on the tip of my nose, on the bridge, and on top of my lips. I'm gonna do my contour, and for that I always use my Nikita Dragon face palette, and I use a mix between the two. So I'm gonna grab this color and just contour my face. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this one now, but just like a little bit, and I'm gonna chisel right there and then blend it. You see? So I'm gonna contour my nose with the same color. For blush, I'm gonna use the So Susan Blush and Glow. This is also new for me, and this is the color Rose Rust. It looks like this. It's like my type of blush. So let's see how it looks. Yeah, that's really cute. I really like that. It's what I like for my blush, like this type of color. I don't really like pink blushes, just like a peachy glow. Okay, for highlight, So Susan also sent me this Lumiere liquid highlighter, but it's like pink. So I want to see if I can use it like as a topper for my blush and see how that looks. I'm gonna grab it with a sponge. A sponge? A sponge. A sponge. sounds weird, but I just grabbed like a little bit and I'm just gonna put it on the apples of my cheeks. Oh shit. Okay, it is really pretty, but it did cling a little bit on my cheek. I think this product, you need to use it like underneath powder or when you don't want to use any type of powder. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little patches. I think this product will be best to use by itself or underneath your foundation. But I do want to use that highlight that I use on my inner corner on my cheeks as well. See how that looks? Yeah, that's really pretty. For the lips, I have 3 options really, but I think I'm only gonna use one because I have this by Susan Cosmetics. That I don't think it is that one, but I do have to say this product smells so good. It smells like literally lip smackers. Literally, that's what it smells like. Like, it smells like candy. It smells so good. And I also have this lip and cheek tint by Susan Cosmetics that I think I'm gonna end up using this. It's like a little balm type product. And this is in the color Tranquil Day. So I am gonna line my lips and then I'm gonna put this on top. It's like really creamy. Oh, it's cute. It smells like, it also smells like candy. That's really nice. Okay, so this is the finished look. I actually like it a lot. It's not like, oh my god, it's crazy, you know? I like it. It's a regular, simple look. I actually don't know how much these palettes are, so let me look that up. Okay, so the Sofishticated Palette, this one right here, is $35. And the Susan one is, let's see, $45. Okay, let's talk. I am so grateful that they sent me these, but is it really worth it, $45? I don't know. Maybe it's because it says that it's formulated in Italy. Maybe the formula is probably more expensive to make, to manufacture. But do you guys think it's worth $45 and $35? I don't know. I personally don't think so, but they are good. I'm not saying they're bad. I'm just saying I don't know if it's worth it. That's all I'm saying. If you like it, go ahead, like, be my guest. Like, they're really good. They performed good. Nothing bad about them. Literally nothing bad. It's just like, you know, like, is it, you know? This is the finished look. This is the finished video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel
so you don't miss my beautiful face.
And please follow me on my social media. I have TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. I have all of that linked down below, so go check that out. TikTok is so fun, so go check out my TikTok. And yeah, love you guys and be safe, stay home, don't be stupid, don't go out, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bitches.